Good morning. This is a quick video to show you how to annotate with Cami or type and interact with a document such as a PDF. So the first thing you're going to do is open up that document. Right now I'm in Google Classroom. So I just click on the document and you are going to find these three little circles in the right hand corner, or the snowman button. Click that, open a new window. And you should see a new button that pops up in the center of your screen that says Open With. Click that, and then you're going to select the Annotate with Cami button. If you don't see this option, you are going to need to press Connect More Apps and then search for Cami. You will only have to do this once. Once you install it on your computer, you should always see it pop up here. So if you need to do that, click through all the steps. There's a lot of steps, but make sure that you go through that whole process and then go back and click the Annotate with Cami button. This opens up the document in Cami. And we have a free version, so it doesn't allow us to use all these features. If you see this little lock symbol, you cannot use that feature. But it lets us do a lot of things that we need. So if you want to type in a document, make sure you press this text box tool, and then you can scroll down and type in where you need to. So here I'm going to type my name and say Miss Wilson. You can also use this drawing tool if you need to draw, say you need to kind of color in some of these boxes. If I need to add a shape, I can do that as well for a drawing. I can also highlight. Let's say I needed to do freshwater and frozen water, highlight that. There's lots of different features. But once you have completed the document, you are going to come up and press this Shared Document button. You're going to make sure that all of your sharing settings are turned on so that your instructor can see your new annotations. Then you're going to close this window. You're going to press the Download button and make sure that you select Google Drive. This way that this document will always be saved directly in your Google Drive and you can have access to it on any computer. And make sure the center option, the PDF with all annotations, is selected. Make sure you've selected all pages and then press Begin Export. It's now saving to our Google Drive. And if you wish, you can go right to your Google Drive and open it, but you don't need to. You can just close this window. And then now, your final step is you need to reattach this document with your new annotations into Google Classroom. So you can go back to Google Classroom, the same post where you found this assignment, and you're going to reattach it. My screen is going to look a little bit different just because I have an instructor view and you are a student. But you're going to find these Add or Create button. And in my screen, it's right here, but yours should be found on this right-hand corner of your screen. You're going to select that button, go to your Google Drive, and then I suggest going to your recent documents because it should put your most recent document that you've interacted with right here in this spot. Make sure it says that Cami Export because this is the document that you have now added your new annotations. You're going to select that option, click Add, and then you should see it pop up over here on your right hand side of your screen. Again, I know my screen looks a little bit different, but you should see two attachments from here. You should see the original blank document from your instructor, and then you should see the second document that you just attached with your answers. I suggest clicking on the new attachment and just making sure that you can view your answers, make sure that you attached the correct document. But once you've ensured that that is there, you are good to go and your teacher will have access to your document. Make sure that you also press that turn in button for your teacher as well. Thank you.